What you should buy from Dynamic Strategies proposal is about trading and settling interest rate derivatives on the blockchain. The problem statement. So small corporates and retail pay very high markups to hedge their interest rate risk. Most retail customers are too small for banks to deal with, and banks need to hold large capital reserves when dealing with small clients. So our mission is to democratize the interest rate derivatives market. It's been quite in the news as rates have been rising recently. Make interest rate derivatives affordable for small corporates and retail customers through low-cost daily margining, secure private trading, and automated smart contracts. An example, a homeowner has a 500K mortgage and is concerned that rates are going up and wants to fix it at 3%. The current state, they approach a bank, but are driven away by the complexity. The bank will charge them a very high fee for that. There are one-off fees as well as running fees. These products are not available in small amounts, and there are high termination fees. So for 500K hedge, they're paying about 15,000 in fees over the life of the contract. Our target state is we want to automate this and bring it onto the blockchain, so the spreads are much lower and they're available for sale. The market size is absolutely huge. It's the biggest market in the world, which is the derivative market. 500 trillion outstanding and $5 trillion daily volume. It's currently dominated by large banks and financial institutions. Corporates and retail represent a very small amount. That's on the chart. So 95% is financial institutions, large banks, and corporate and retail is just small. There's an opportunity to grow this market by offering more competitive pricing for smaller ticket sizes. So corporates and retail are bottom left. We want to move them to bottom right by giving them better pricing and still the small ticket sizes. The team is me. I have 10 years experience in risk management and investment banking, 10 years in tech and blockchains. Sergio is a regulatory expert in the Netherlands, 20 years in banking experience. Elcio is our designer, and Vlad is our expert engineer. The product is block margin. We want to first do the settlement of these products on the blockchain, and then that's the focus of the Fund10 proposal. And then we will make the DEX once we fix the settlement. In a standard trade, there's a company and a bank. They negotiate a 2-year swap. We will create the infrastructure to settle this product on the blockchain and then allow for daily margining. That's it. I'm at 3-minute mark. Yeah, so thank you for listening. Please consider supporting our Fund10 application for block margin.